In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Chase emergency banking feature. Now within the Chase application, it does not have a standalone tool which is called emergency banking. Instead, all of these features are scattered across the application. Firstly, you have the option which is for card emergencies. So for example, if you've lost your card or if your card is stolen, you could easily lock it within the account services. So simply head over to the more options, head over to the account services, and you'd be able to lock and unlock your card. Secondly, if you have any sort of cash emergencies and if you have been using the Chase's automated tools to save for unexpected expenses, what you could do in this situation is instantly transfer those funds to any of your accounts within Chase or into external accounts as well, and then you could easily liquidate it. Also, you have the option of travel emergencies. So if you have the premium card of the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can simply head over to the built-in feature which is called the emergency evacuation and transportation, which has the coverage up to $100,000 if you fall seriously ill while traveling. So simply head over to the more option again and find the option called emergency evacuation and transportation within your Chase Sapphire card. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.